you're experiencing crashing issues with the AFC25, follow these steps to help resolve the problem quickly. This guide provides straightforward solutions to get you back in the game. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available updates. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game logger to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can resolve crashing issues. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can lead to crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your hardware. Install them and restart your computer. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in the game can help reduce the strain on your system. Access the game settings and decrease options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows to see if this improves stability. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games, as they can interfere with the performance of the AFC25. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues with the AFC25. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.